On my way to Noga's house. That's the hotel we're at, Park Hotel. This is a Moroccan Marrakesh restaurant on this little pond water. There's a little waterfall there. I'll try and take the kids here tomorrow to play near the waterfall. The sun is setting soon. There's a beautiful park and attached to the hotel, and everyone is sitting with their kids before Shabbat playing. It's very pretty. This is some other nice residential complex. I'm on my way to Noka's house. There wasn't enough room in the car, so they told me to walk. So I'm walking. Look at all the kids here. Their parents. Okay.
Забрали мяч, да, зайка? Забрали мяч.